A healing cucumber and garlic salad lowers cholesterol and regulates high blood pressure. As indicated by the American Heart Association, in excess of 100 million individuals the nation over are managing hypertension. Those numbers are just expanding, similar to the health risks that accompany hypertension. Hopefully, this delightful cucumber garlic plate of mixed greens can help hold cholesterol down while tasting incredible. What is high blood pressure? Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is where the power of blood siphoning against your conduit dividers gets sufficiently serious that it begins to cause harm and can in the long run lead to assist health concerns. The seriousness of the health concerns can differ contingent upon whether an individual is managing primary hypertension, hypertension with no obvious reason, or secondary hypertension, hypertension that is triggered by a certain condition. Hypertension can cause heart failure, stroke, dementia, and much more. Hypertension is a genuine condition that shouldn't be overlooked. Since the indications can be incredibly hard to get from the get-go, specialists frequently have circulatory strain tests taken as standard convention at whatever point somebody comes in for a registration. The sooner you can wind up mindful of it, the simpler it is to address and help deal with your hypertension. How can you help manage high blood pressure? In the event that you or somebody you know is managing hypertension, it's essential to counsel with a therapeutic expert for direction on best practices for dealing with the condition. One thing you can address in your own home, nonetheless, is the nourishment you are devouring. Normally, your eating regimen affects your health. There are foods you can make certain to incorporate into your eating regimen that may help hold your circulatory strain in line. Two of these foods are garlic and cucumbers. Cucumber is a very hydrating, supplement-filled organic product that can help with hypertension. It can do this principally due to its potassium and fiber content. Potassium can help balance the sodium included in your blood, counteracting atherosclerosis, build up plaque in the blood vessels. Fiber can help reduce cholesterol and regulate blood pressure as well. Garlic has demonstrated solid proof of its capacity to help oversee hypertension, cholesterol levels, and various other health conditions. This restorative capacity is mostly credited to the compound allicin that is found in garlic. In the event that you are searching for approaches to help oversee hypertension, or even simply searching for some new sound powerhouse formulas to attempt, at that point this present one's for you. This cucumber garlic serving of mixed greens includes these two great foods, yet it is additionally tasty and amazingly easy to make. Why not give it a try? Cucumber and garlic salad. Ingredients: a couple of tablespoons of water, 1 cucumber, 3 garlic cloves, 1/2, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Instructions: first you must peel and then crush the garlic. Use something flat, it is best to do it with the side of the knife. Then you can wash the cucumber, and cut it in smaller cubes and pieces. Then mince the garlic and mix everything in a large bowl. After that you can put the water and apple cider vinegar to the mixture. Stir well, and use a few mint leaves to garnish. Enjoy the salad. Once again, if someone you know or yourself is dealing with hypertension, or as we call it, high blood pressure, make sure they or you visit a doctor right away. But anyway, we hope that this delicious salad will add a little bit of flavor to your day, and will improve your health in many ways. For more health advice, be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.